To use your Nita straw mover, first of all you'll need to clamp it to a table. Then you'll plug your switch in. The socket for the switch is on the back. When you press the switch, the arm moves between its two positions. You can change the amount that the arm moves. To adjust this, I'm going to get a hold of this lower black collar here and I'm going to rotate it. At the moment it's on maximum. I'm going to rotate it anti-clockwise and that will make it move a shorter distance. You can go a bit shorter than that if you want. It's not quite the range I want, so I'm actually going to increase it. That feels about right. I'm now going to adjust the bendy arm so that the straw holder is close to my mouth. It needs to be in range to be able to drink comfortably. I'll next need the straw. This is a soft rubber straw with a little hard section. On the bottom of this there's a little one-way valve. This goes into the drink, so I'm going to push the straw together. To put the straw into the straw holder, if you give it a little stretch as you push it in, it will go in really easily. And then you'll find some Velcro ties which will help hold the straw to the straw mover. Put that on. The little white clip allows me to clip the straw onto the edge of the cup. I'll then have a drink, and when I've had enough and the straw's in the way, I can press the button and there's nothing in front of me anymore. On the back of the straw mover you'll find the socket for the switch, and underneath it is the charging port. You plug your USB cable in to charge it and you'll see the red light will come on. We recommend you charge it at least once a week.